तो होगी तैयार कितने चले रहना वे बीगल बीगल होगी तैयार थे चली मेरे ना गर्ल वे बीगल तो होगी तैयार ते चली मेरे ना हे गर्ल बेबी गर्ल तो होगी नी तैयार ते चली बेबी गर्ल कितने Bantiola Jesus. This is my place for the Netaji Nagar for this year wine building, and then go to yours. This my place. It's very wonderful what you this. You know why this is place and this now today is very necessary splits. I know best of my life. This my road. This my this long sadak. This my school to go, and then to this is me. This Yama road is very road. This your Nitanagar building. Valley Netaji Nagar is road. My backside is school. My child my school. This is road. And the best sadak. And the road is sadak. Very beautiful place. Today is wonderful. This sadak. Wow, zoom is view. Netaji place is very wonderful. No heart. So, this is road. Jhanda Park to face. This is zoom. This is Jhanda Park. I want cool out. Yes, I'm crying for you. Give my place. This is no place. The good. This your dog is. This animal very hungry. I know. This is your place. Okay. And now this Chatpura Park. This is very Chatpura Park. This very place. This is your dog. Netaji Nagar. Face to Jhanda Park. Gadi. And the Chhat Puja swimming pool. This now is Chhat Puja time. ये सब टूटा हुआ आप देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ झंडा पार्क जैसी चीज़ें नेताजी नगर इज द बेस्ट झंडा पार्क. दिस आप देख सकते हैं पहले का नेताजी नगर और आपको मिलेगा. इट्स वेरी प्यार लुक एट दिस. बट है न पहले हम देखते थे यहाँ लोग थे, पर यहाँ ईंटों के सिवा कुछ नहीं बचा है. सिवाय ईंटें और तुड़ाएँ चल रही है. ये नेताजी नगर की याद पे. थैंक यू कैमरामैन चांद नवार के साथ. बहुत यूनिक प्लेस था. नेताओं की नगरी माना जाता था, इससे नेताजी नगर बोला जाता था. यूनिक प्लेस इज वेरी. थैंक यू.